Hi guys, Michael here from PartsPro.PH. We're back with another sort of YouTube video. Now, something that we're going to talk about, or this thing that we're going to talk about today, is something that every car should have. This is something that is very, very important. How many of you guys have ever had a flat tire in your life or in your driving history? Okay, me, last year was the last one. Actually, this past January, on New Year's Day, on my way sa bahay ng tita ko, naflatan kami. New Year's Day, halos lahat closed. Wala kami mahanap na vulcanizing shop. Ilang meters ako tumakbo na flat na yung rear passenger tire ko. Now, if I had something like this, I wouldn't have to look for a place. This is something that I can simply plug in, plug to my tire, and inflate my tire with air. Now, this is the Infinite Tire Inflator. This is a brand new product to us here at PartsPro.PH. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box and show you guys exactly what's inside. Okay, if you look at the package, this is the Infinite Tire Inflator right here. This is powered by 120 watts, DC 12 volt, max tire pressure, all the way up to 150 PSI. The cord length is 3 meters, so you can definitely hit it, plug it into your cigarette lighter, and it'll reach all the way to the back tire of your car, whatever car you might be. If you've got a Vios, if you've got an SUV, if you've got a Hyma, we'll show you that in a little bit. So the length of it, it's really, really long, so that you can reach it from your cigarette lighter all the way to the back. You can also use it for motorcycles, cars, bicycles. You could even use it for your basketball, or if you've got one of those inflatable beds, you can use it on that. But let's go ahead and open it up and see what it's all about. This is your packaging. On the sides, it'll sort of tell you how to use it and the different applications along with your spec. And this is the other side. And then again, you have your application and your specs right there. And when you first open up the box, pull out the unit. This is the tire inflator itself. You also get this sort of backpack that comes with it. It'll say Infinite Tire Inflator right there. This is, again, the unit. Inside this plastic, you'll get your instruction manual. You also get this little Ziploc that has various different sort of tips. So whether you're using it for basketball, or your inflatable bed, or your inflatable ducky when your kids are going to swimming, all of the different sort of mounting that you can use is right here. So don't lose this. This is very, very important. Okay, this is the unit again itself. You've got a screen here where you can press and adjust whatever PSI you need it to be. You've got plus or minus. So for example, if you want to set it at 35 PSI, you click all the way up to 35. The machine will automatically set your tire pressure at 35 PSM or PSI. Once it's there, it'll immediately sort of stop inflating. In the back, you've got your cord. Actually, this is a really, really neat area because it's hidden away. It's not sort of, scrambled all over the place, but you've got your wires right here. Let me pull it out. So you've got your cord right here. This will plug into your cigarette lighter. And then you've got the actual nozzle that is actually going to inflate your tire. So again, this is a locking mechanism. Depending on exactly which one you need, you hook this up to your tire, lock it into place, set your PSI, and you're good to go. Okay? So again, this is a brand new product for us here at PartsPro.PH, and this is something that really every car should have. Price on here, it's only about 1,999 pesos, so really less than 2,000 pesos. You can have something that is very, very important to your vehicle. And what we're gonna do now is let's go ahead and inflate our Hyma's tire. Okay guys, so here we are outside at the store or at the shop. Our back tire on the Hyma is unfortunately flat. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hook up our Infinite Tire Inflator and put some air back into those tires. So real simple. Again, you've got this 3 meter cord. We're gonna plug this into the cigarette lighter, and we're gonna go ahead and fill that up with air. So I'm gonna hop in the car. As soon as I hop in, this is going to light up and for us to set our PSI. And we're gonna go ahead and do this for We're gonna go ahead and set this for 35 PSI. Okay, and again, you can set it by these plus or minus buttons right here. If you guys saw the earlier part of the video, this tire back here was absolutely flat, and we put it back to life with the Infinite Tire Inflator, okay? If you guys have any questions, please comment down below. You can check out our website. It's www.PartsPro.PH. The Facebook is @PartsPro.PH. You can also hit us up at the store, 91 Congressional Avenue, Barangay Bahay Toro, Project 8, Quezon City. We're open Monday through Saturday, 8:30 in the morning until 6 p.m. at night. My name is Michael from PartsPro.PH, and this is the Infinite Tire Inflator. Check it out.